Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I will show you how you can download and install Java JDK 26.0.2 on Windows. Now let's start the setup. Open web browser, go to Google search, type download Java JDK, hit enter, click on first link Java download, scroll down JDK 26. Current JDK version is 26.0.2. Select operating system. I'm using Windows. Click Windows. You need to download x64 installer. Click download. Now the downloading is started. It is 189 MB setup file. It will take some time to download. Now the downloading is completed. Close web browser. Open this PC. Click downloads. Here it is Java JDK setup file. Let's right click on it. Click open. Click yes. Close downloads. Welcome to the Java installation wizard. Click next. Java JDK install the following location. Click next. Java installation in progress. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Now Java JDK successfully installed. Click close. Open this PC. Open C drive. Open program files. Open Java folder. Open JDK 26.0.2 folder. Open bin folder. Go to address bar. Copy this path. Go to Windows. Go to search. Type environment. Click edit the system environment variables. Click environment variables. Select path under system variables. Click edit. Click new. Paste the copied path here. Click OK. Click new. Type variable name Java underscore home. Paste the copied path again. Remove bin in path. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Close bin folder. Now let us verify the Java version. Go to Windows search. Type cmd. Click command prompt. Type Java space -- version. Hit enter. As you can see the Java version, Java 26.0.2. This means our Java is proper installed on my system. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how you can easily download and install Java JDK 26.0.2 on Windows 11 and Windows 10 as well. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.